Photos, videos, new politically correct Redhead scene debuts in Pirates of the Caribbean at Walt Disney World. Pirates of the Caribbean at the Magic Kingdom reopened today after being closed for a few weeks, debuting the new culturally sensitive auction scene. The new scene replaces the original scene, which had been a part of the ride since it opened in 1973, and as originally envisioned by Walt Disney and the legendary Imagineers who first created the attraction at Disneyland in 1967. The new scene is an auction of goods. The Redhead have been recast as the pirate named Red here, with a large woman in the scene now holding a chicken that is being auctioned off. Classic lines are completely removed in the chain, such as "We want the Redhead," "What be I offered for this winsome rent," "What are ya selling her by the pound," "Shift your cargo, dearie, show 'em your larboard side." The auctioneer was completely re-recorded with a new voice as the scene was drastically rewritten to meet the new story needs. Now, here is the video of the new scene in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up me hearties.
Why, just weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for these hearty hens? Every one an egg layer. Hey there, you bilge rat!
So, what do you think of this new scene? Comment down below in the comment section. Now we have some comments like usual. C says, impressed with the new turnaround, looks fine. Audio sounds meh, don't love it. We'll see it in person on Friday. Well, we will see it in person on Friday. Mike H says, it looks like and sounds great, but this change never needed and never should have happened. Completely unnecessary and just not as good as the original. There are some things you just don't change. I think that's right, Mike H. Walt says, what do I think? It's about the rum. Drink up me hearties, yo ho, it's the pirate's life for me. That. We're going to read one more and then we're going to share my thoughts on it. Our last one comes from Irish Buffet. She says, now that would be some serious girl power. Better still would be if the targets were a rotating cast of overall Disney vloggers and Twitterati. What do I think of this? Well, pirates, no, it used to be man pirates like chasing around. I don't know, but now it's a Redhead because it's politically correct. So, I don't think it's a good change. People may like it. I'm sorry if I heard your opinion, but it's not really needed, Disney. Come on, it's your ride, not the fans. Like Stitch's Great Escape, they brought that back. Walt Disney, you gotta make the decision on doing here. I don't think it's good, but for the fans who love it, I don't know. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys all for the next Disney news video. Goodbye, everybody.